Hey folks, simplythick John here. Today we're going to make some pureed turkey. I have some oven roasted turkey breast right from the deli, about a pound here, and I'm just going to cut those into chunks so that they get in the processor a little easier. There's nothing magical about this. It's just kind of a way to make sure that they all fit in the food processor bowl and process down pretty easily and quickly. So we do that, we put them in the bowl, and the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to run it for a few seconds. And you'll see that no matter how long I let this run, it just kind of goes to that minced consistency. It is not going to really get smaller than this. If you just keep it running, it really just keeps running. So this is the magic of extremely thick stock. And what I can do is I'm just going to add this in, and you'll see almost immediately it will go from this chunky bits of meat, the minced look, and it will turn into a puree very quickly. So I'm going to add this now. And you're going to add about half an ounce or so per ounce of meat. You can see how that starts rolling really nicely. And it's processing very nicely. Now we're going to stop it, and we're just going to scrape down the sides and make sure nothing's stuck underneath the blades in there. Seems a little bit sticky, so what I'm going to do is add a little bit more of the extremely thick stock, and that will help lubricate it a little more. I had 8 ounces of extremely thick stock here and 16 ounces of meat, so it is about half an ounce of stock per ounce of meat. Might be a little more. I have another bottle around in case I need it. But you can see that makes a really nice puree, nice and simple. It's flowing very easily. So let's take a scoop of this out, and we'll run it through our tests for the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative. And I need my fork and my spoon for these. So for the fork, you can see there's no big chunks in there. When you pick it up, nothing is flowing underneath here. You don't have any loose liquids. And when we take it on the spoon, not much is left behind without very much force at all. There's some left behind. That's okay. It can be a thin film. You can see through it. And so how does it taste? It's going to taste like a great turkey. It's really good. Boy, I love that. If you want to improve your plate presentation, you can use one of these handled food forms. You spray it with release spray, you fill it up, and then you put it on a plate. And this one happens to be minced and moist, but this is what it's going to look like. It'll look like a chicken breast or turkey breast right there on the plate that you can drizzle with gravy. So that's how to make a great pureed turkey. Please like and follow for more great tips on making texture modified foods.